Honestly, every time Elon Musk reveals a new generation of Tesla robots, it sets off a wave of excitement and disbelief. Before people actually see them in action, very few can imagine that a humanoid robot capable of human-like movements could ever become real. But now, the Tesla bot Generation 3 has completely proven that this is indeed possible. Elon Musk shared an impressive series of updates and plans for the Tesla bot during Tesla's 2025 annual shareholder meeting. If everything continues on schedule, Tesla could begin selling the Tesla bot Generation 3 later this year. This version represents a massive leap forward in human-like hand performance that Tesla has been working toward for years. The scale of Optimus, as Musk described it, is going to be unlike anything we have seen before. He said he believes it will be the biggest product of all time, even bigger than cell phones. Generation 3 is not just about walking or recognizing its surroundings. It aims for superhuman accuracy and manipulation, opening possibilities in healthcare, household assistance, translation services, and flexible manufacturing where most robots today can only perform basic or repetitive actions. Before we go further, a quick note: welcome to Amp Drive, where we explore everything about Tesla's groundbreaking technology and innovations that shape the future. If you enjoy these deep dives into Elon Musk's latest creations, make sure to subscribe right now so you never miss the next update from Amp Drive. Now, in this episode, we will explore three big questions. First, why is Tesla focusing on developing the Tesla bot Generation 3's manipulation abilities before anything else? Second, how will this bot change the way humans work, and how much will it cost? Who will actually be able to buy one? And finally, what makes Generation 3 more capable than its predecessor, and are its features worth the investment? In the past, Tesla concentrated on developing walking, balancing, and vision skills for its earlier robot generations like Generation 1, 2, and 2.5. It was similar to how Tesla selects specialized batteries for its vehicles, always emphasizing safety, stability, and efficiency. However, with the Tesla bot Generation 3, the company's vision is far more ambitious. It is not just about walking, it is about interacting with the world through hands that can grasp, hold, and manipulate with human-like precision. As Elon Musk confirmed, this is just the version 2 Optimus hand, and the version 3 hand will go even further. This is the human-like hand Tesla has been chasing for years. Even Musk himself admitted that creating a perfect robotic hand is one of the hardest parts of building a humanoid robot. Tesla may need to dedicate as much as 70% of its resources solely to developing this one component. Musk explained that there are three things that make robots extremely difficult to design, and one of the biggest challenges is the engineering of the forearm and hand because the human hand is one of the most advanced tools nature has ever produced. Previous versions like Generation 2 achieved fairly human-like dexterity, but to truly be useful in healthcare, household tasks, or manufacturing, Tesla needed a major breakthrough. Based on industry reports, Generation 3 aims to go far beyond the limits of Generation 2, achieving super-precise movement and reliable performance with hands capable of working continuously without fatigue or tremors, maintaining accuracy down to the millimeter. The truth is, the hand is the ultimate barrier for robots to truly replace human labor. Elon Musk understands that while many companies can make robots that walk, turn, see, and even hear, creating a robotic hand with 22 degrees of freedom, real haptic feedback, and millimeter-level precision, without the need to program every small movement, is what sets a true humanoid apart. This is exactly what the Tesla bot Generation 3 is built to accomplish, with its 22 degree of freedom hand pushing the limits of humanoid robotics. This design focuses on giving Optimus Generation 3 the ability not just to move things, but to handle and manipulate them with equal or greater precision than a human. That makes it capable of assisting in healthcare, delivering medication, performing delicate medical procedures, helping patients, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, and managing flexible production lines without the need for specialized machinery. Experts believe Tesla's human-level dexterity-first strategy gives the company a huge advantage. While other robot manufacturers focus on walking balance, visual recognition, or power systems, Musk has chosen to focus on highly coordinated multitask manipulation. This means the Optimus Generation 3 is designed to directly participate in the global economy as a worker replacement, not just as a programmable tool. The productivity Elon Musk often mentions will not come from groups of robots that only walk, it will come from robots equipped with flexible hands that can perform all kinds of human tasks. That is where the true economic power lies. That is why Musk emphasized that version 3 is a completely new level. He hinted that version 2 had already achieved human-like dexterity, but version 3 would take it beyond human limits, achieving machine-level accuracy. A robot with hands more precise than a person's can perform surgeries, operate without fatigue, and work in dangerous environments while maintaining perfect timing and accuracy. This jump from version 2 to version 3 marks a turning point, from a helpful robot to an economic revolution. Tesla knows that limited hand control is what holds most humanoid robots back. So the best path forward is to focus heavily on the hands while simplifying other parts like sensors and mechanical structures. Generation 3 seems to do just that, reaching higher performance while keeping the design efficient and cost-effective. Now, what exactly does super precise manipulation mean, and why is it such a big deal for making robots useful? To put it simply, Generation 3 can grasp, twist, rotate, and coordinate objects just like a human. That might sound straightforward, but the reality is much deeper. The new Tesla bot's hand is designed with a level of precision that could completely transform what we expect from robots in our homes, factories, and hospitals. Currently, Generation 2.5 can already move on its own, navigate office spaces, recharge itself, and perform simple chores. But according to Musk, the next generation Optimus 3 will go far beyond that. He said, "When you see it, you will think it is a person wearing a robot suit." Musk confirmed it will officially debut early next year. Tesla also plans to upgrade Optimus every year, version 4 in 2027 and version 5 in 2028, each introducing major advances and faster production. But the most surprising detail came when Musk revealed the potential cost. Once Tesla reaches a yearly output of over 1 million robots, he believes the cost per unit could drop to around $20,000. If that happens, it would mark a new era in robotics and automation. At such a price, Optimus could become a household or workplace companion, performing jobs in manufacturing, healthcare, hospitality, or personal assistance for elderly individuals or people with disabilities. Even more astonishingly, Musk mentioned Tesla's plan to eventually produce 1 million robots per year at Fremont, then expand to 10 million, 100 million, and ultimately 1 billion robots annually, possibly even on Mars. It sounds unbelievable, but Musk insists he is serious. Tesla is preparing for one of the fastest production scale-ups ever attempted for a complex product. Of course, Musk acknowledges this will not be easy. He said Tesla will likely have to build its own giant chip factory, as the company cannot depend on external suppliers for the chips needed in millions of robots and self-driving cars. This move shows that Tesla wants to be a serious leader not only in robotics but also in artificial intelligence and semiconductor manufacturing. Musk believes this technology could expand the global economy 10 times, or even 100 times, completely redefining traditional economics. However, such massive potential also comes with huge challenges: production logistics, software safety, cybersecurity, and ethical issues. Robots that can replace doctors or perform human tasks raise questions about privacy, employment, and safety. Tesla must prove that these robots are designed to serve humanity, not to replace it. So, what specifically makes Generation 3 better than Generation 2? The Generation 3 hand has an entirely new sensor and mechanical system. It provides haptic feedback, allowing every finger to move precisely in coordination and complete intricate actions. Early prototypes have already demonstrated superhuman precision, executing repetitive tasks flawlessly and performing delicate movements like surgical operations or high-detail assembly. This means Generation 3 can now accomplish work that Generation 2 could not, significantly improving both speed and usefulness. This improvement also allows the Tesla bot to become a genuine part of the global economy, able to function in workplaces without constant supervision. Leaks suggest that Generation 3 can match or exceed human accuracy while being faster and more durable. The hand is also more energy efficient, so it can work longer without constant maintenance. Different variants are expected, a standard version for general users and an advanced version with extra fine motor control for businesses or high-precision applications. The Generation 3 hand marks Tesla's biggest technological leap yet, giving it a strong lead in the humanoid robot race. Each hand can perform thousands of tasks without individual programming, saving enormous amounts of time and cost during large-scale manufacturing. This alone could completely redefine the future of labor and automation. Tesla also made the Generation 3's materials eco-friendly, using a large portion of recycled components that reduce energy use by up to 95% compared to new materials. This approach lowers environmental impact and manufacturing costs. The sensors and mechanical parts are heat-resistant up to 200 degrees Celsius, allowing continuous operation without overheating, something earlier robots struggled with. Tests show that Generation 3 can operate in temperatures ranging from 5 to 85 degrees Celsius while maintaining full precision, meaning it can function anywhere from cold European factories to warm, humid Asian warehouses. This durability makes it appealing to companies that want dependable robots with minimal downtime. Another major improvement is the speed of manipulation and reaction. The new hand mechanism and controller offer much faster feedback, enabling continuous multitask performance. The robot can complete complicated sequences smoothly and recover instantly from errors. This makes Generation 3 reliable in real-world settings where efficiency and timing are everything. Maintenance and longevity are also key benefits. Earlier robots required frequent part replacements, especially in joints and servos. Generation 3 solves this with tougher, chemically stable materials that resist wear and retain precision even after years of operation. Tests indicate it can work effectively for 10,000 hours of continuous use, about a decade in industrial or household environments, while older models lasted only 3 to 4 years. This directly reduces maintenance costs and increases long-term value for owners. However, Generation 3 still faces some limits in extremely cold conditions below -20 degrees Celsius. Its haptic sensitivity and finger coordination slow down, reducing performance by around 10 to 20%. For regions with freezing climates like Northern Europe or Canada, this might be a challenge. Tesla is expected to keep refining these systems for future versions. Overall, everything points to Generation 3 being a massive step toward making humanoid robots part of everyday life. The combination of precise hands, efficient power use, and smart materials aligns perfectly with Tesla's goal to bring affordable, capable robots into homes and workplaces. Beyond the engineering itself, Tesla is also simplifying Generation 3's structure, removing unnecessary parts while maintaining strength and elegance. This helps reduce costs and makes mass production more practical. For decades, the idea of a robot standing in your kitchen, making breakfast, or organizing shelves was only seen in science fiction. Such tasks require incredible dexterity, fine motor control, and learning ability. Yet now, Optimus Generation 3 is training every day at Tesla's Palo Alto Research Center, learning by observing humans. Instead of relying on complex programming, it learns through simulation, watching videos of humans cooking or cleaning, then repeating those tasks in a virtual world until it achieves near-perfect performance. This simulation-to-reality learning process lets Optimus improve continuously, mastering new skills daily, from preparing breakfast to arranging a kitchen. So, what would you personally use the Tesla Bot Generation 3 for? And what would be the maximum price you would be willing to pay for Optimus? Share your opinion in the comments section below. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe now so you do not miss the next breaking Tesla update. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla Bot, do not forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.